Guys, here we go. 3240, 3,244. 3,244 Donruss Sigs. Alright, Arboric 2, Good Dogs 4, John Deere 5, Joe Dam 1, Maverick 1, Studla 2, Teetho 3, JD 1, Teetho 1, and Bigler 1, Cool 5, Mike 1, West 2, and Sam 3. Alright guys. You're not buying a Donruss Sigs hobby box for $3.50. Alright, so please watch this video when I send it to you when you open a case, asking where your hobby box is for $3. It costs more than $3.50 to ship the item. Okay? 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times. 5 times. God Dogs on top, John Deere on the bottom 5 times. Group you guys together. Cole, Panthers, Broncos, Chiefs, Jets, Titans, good, go Dogs. Cardinals, Falcons, Bengals, Giants, JD, Seahawks, Bucks, Jags. John Deere, Colts, Rams, Saints, Chargers, Skins, Maverick, Bears. M. Bigler, Niners, Mike, Cowboys. Arboric, Browns, Bucks. Sam, Ravens, Packers, Raiders. Studla, Lions, Dolphins. T.O., Bills, Texans, Vikes, Eagles. West, Pats, and Steelers. Alright guys. Any trades? Let me know. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Five in the premium. All right. All right, guys. Any trades? Sam, 5 in the premium jersey. Three in the 16 by 20. That fluctuates. 3 in the Gold Rush jersey. Alright, guys. A lot of stuff getting close. Give me a box, guys. 1, 2, 3, or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys are buffering? What the heck? I don't understand why that happens. I got a wired connection now. 3? Alright, 3 it is. Yeah, the internet shouldn't bump like that, especially since it's wired. Is it back to normal? Oh, it looks like it's bumping still. Like on my end, the stream health is green. It says it's active. Weird. I don't know. My Wi-Fi's off. I don't know. I don't have anything running. TV's off. I live in my internet though, it's like a bad spot. Must be a bad spot for internet. Kobe. buddy. Trey McBride for the Lions. Trey McBride for the Tennessee Titans. TJ Jones for the Lions. Just close it and reopen it. All right, you heard the man. Devin Smith for the Jets. For the Jets. Very nice Darren Waller. Darren Waller, beast for Oakland. All right, so we got the Ravens. Darren Waller for the Ravens. Tennessee Titans. I don't know, man. I'm checking the stream. It looks good. It's not showing any disconnects. Is it for all you guys are having issues though? TJ Jones, Devin Smith. Oh, I dropped the mine now. That's weird. All right, Lions, Tennessee, Ravens, and just did it again. What the heck? Hold on. Trying to think. I really don't have anything that's connected to the internet. All right, Donruss 6, Detroit. All right, Studla. There you go, Detroit. Tennessee Titans, Cole. Baltimore Ravens, Sam. New York Jets, Cole. Cool, guys. There you have it. There you have it. Keeps kicking? I wonder why it's doing that. Weird. Alright, 5 times for the 5 times, guys. Top spot. We'll get free spot. TriStar Mini. There you go, man. Nice Darren Waller. He's a beast. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Sam K. Alright, Sam, there you go. Free spot. That was 32.44. Back to back. 32.44. See, it's cool. Alright, free spot. Mini helmet. I'll probably do all the mini helmets. I think there's 2 or 3 on the other one. I'll probably do 2 of those just to get done with the other spreadsheet. Premium mini helmets up next, guys. Alright. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Premium mini helmets up next. Thank you.